Recording.
Hi everyone, I'm Michelle Ann Givero and this is my partner, Dominic Langkada, and we're going, wala na sir na dito, and we're going to, these are the requirements needed for ghosting tutorial. Then, two IDE cable, and you're going to download Acronis through image in enterprise server. Then, tap mo na.
Ganun.
This is the hard disk.
The eraser.
Basta na IDE cable. And this is the IDE cable. Tagalog. Kakabit natin yung IDE cable sa hard disk. Ganito ang pagkakabit. Ganyan. Then after nito, ikakabit naman natin sa CPU. Pakilapit po. Sister, ikaw na naman.
Kakabit ng CPU. Ito pa yun yung plug to?
Dito. Sa may motherboard. Ito yung primary source natin. So, ilalagay natin siya sa IDE1 slot. Tama ba, sir? Next. Susunod naman yung secondary. Yung i-clone natin.
Pumasok mga kaibigan. Ganyan, sirain ang motherboard. Binabalik ko yung mga pins. Okay, sira na rin yung hard disk.
Okay, tapos. Then, yung power supply, kakabit din natin dito sa hard disk.
Cook for 2 to 3 minutes.
Yun. Then, yung isa rin. Ganyan.
Okay, lobat na siya.
Hindi yan sir malugod. Ayan. Then, i-open na natin yung computer. Yan po yung loob ng Acronis. Halata naman, di ba? Then, click yung clone disk. Then, next step, syempre next. Then, next. Then you're going to choose the primary source or the primary master kasi ito yung pinaka-ano natin. Kumbaga siya yung nandito na nakalagay lahat ng mga programs na kailangan natin i-include. Then next. Then we're going to choose the secondary source or the secondary master. Then next. Then we're going to choose delete partition on the destination hard disk. Next. Then, next, proceed, reboot, then wait for the confirmation. Then after that, mag-ano na po, magre-restyle yung PC para masabi natin tama yung ginagawa natin.
Studying the comic strip Kathy. When she's upset, she says, and these ice cream.
So you didn't know, sorry, because that's something nice, Joel and chili fries?